welcome back to my channel. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment the next video I should do. Most of all, happy Christmas Eve! Because today's Christmas Eve, and I hope you guys are having a great Christmas Eve. I am. We have family guests coming over, and I'll do a Christmas haul today when I open our presents. So this came like at 1 o'clock, and yeah, it was like 2 hours ago. But it came in the mail, and it was all smushed together. Like, it was like this small when it came, because it was all smushed together. But my jumbo watermelon came. Can we just look at all this like detail? It matches my nails though. Like my red like actually like goes inside of it. It looks like it. This is huge. It took forever for it to rise because they smushed it all together, and it's not even done rising all the way. It's still kind of rising. It smells like sweet bread. It's bigger than my head. Look. I love that little pigtail detail. Yeah. It's really hard to squish. It's a bit airy. It's the hardest thing to squish. Okay. It'll be really good to like finger poke. Look. Okay. And my camera setting is gonna be way better because I got a pop socket. I'm so weird. Because now I don't have to like place on things. And we'll shout you out. Again, Sylvia keeps on, go check out her channel again. She keeps on commenting, Sylvia Frandrick. She is my cousin. Bye guys.